Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best washer combo that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the generic portable washing machine, priced at an unbeatable $59.99. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking for a compact, lightweight solution for washing small delicates like baby clothes, underwear, and socks. Featuring a 12L capacity and a foldable design, it's highly portable and ideal for apartments, hotels, camping trips, or RVs. Its upgraded motor delivers up to 520 RPM spin speed, offering effective cleaning through 360 degrees imitation hand washing and ultrasonic vibration. The design is simple yet functional, made from TPE and food-grade silicone materials that prioritize safety and durability. Its foldable structure lets you store it effortlessly in tight spaces. The 3 washing modes, 3, 5, and 10-minute timers ensure a customizable experience for different fabric needs. However, while it includes a drying function, it only removes most of the moisture, not 100%, so additional drying may be necessary. While this washer shines for portability and energy efficiency, it's limited to small garments and isn't suitable for heavier items like jeans or towels. If you're looking for an affordable solution for travel or light use, this is a solid choice. Just keep its limitations in mind. At number 4, we have the Sango Kira portable washing machine, priced at $69.99. This model steps up the game with a slightly larger 16-liter capacity and an upgraded dehydration basket for improved drying performance. Its foldable design and compact size make it perfect for small spaces, such as apartments or dorm rooms, while still being light enough to bring along for camping or travel. Made with food-grade silicone and TPE materials, this washer is safe for cleaning intimate wear like baby clothes, socks, and underwear. The 3 cleaning modes, ranging from 3 to 10 minutes, provide flexibility for all your laundry needs. Additionally, it operates at a relatively quiet 44 dB, making it ideal for shared living spaces. The design is sleek, with a touch control console that's intuitive to use. However, while it offers more capacity and functionality than our number 5 pick, it still falls short for large garments like jeans or towels. Its spin basket helps with water removal, but doesn't fully dry clothes. Overall, if you need a reliable washer with a bit more versatility for light loads, the Sango Kira is a great mid-range option. Number 3 on our list is the Appliance SP20313 washer-dryer combo. This model combines a washer and dryer into a single compact unit, making it a fantastic choice for small homes or apartments. With a 2.7 cubic feet capacity, it can handle moderate loads, and its non-vented design allows for easy installation anywhere. The platinum finish adds a touch of elegance to its appearance, while the stainless steel drum ensures durability. One of the standout features is its 16 wash cycles and 5 temperature settings, which let you customize the wash for virtually any fabric type. The 1300 RPM spin speed ensures efficient water extraction, while the LCD display makes it easy to monitor your laundry progress. It also includes a child lock for added safety, making this a family-friendly option. Despite its advanced features, the unit is heavier than others on this list, weighing 170 pounds. Additionally, the price isn't listed, which might make it harder to compare value directly. But if you're looking for a versatile, compact washer-dryer combo with premium features, the Appliance SP20313 is a strong contender. At number 2 is the LG Wash Tower, a premium all-in-one washer and dryer unit that redefines convenience. While the price isn't disclosed, LG has built a reputation for innovative appliances, and this model is no exception. With a massive 4.5 cubic feet washer capacity and a 7.4 cubic feet dryer capacity, this is the go-to solution for households managing large loads of laundry. Its sleek, single-unit design saves space, and the center control interface makes operation intuitive and easy. The ThinQ Care technology allows remote operation and monitoring through an app, giving users ultimate control. Featuring 9 wash options and 11 drying cycles, this machine can handle everything from delicates to heavy-duty loads with precision. The stainless steel drum and Energy Star efficiency ensure durability and eco-friendliness. However, at 346 pounds, this model is far from portable and requires a dedicated installation space. It's ideal for families or individuals who need high capacity and cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for a top-tier washer-dryer combo and are willing to invest in quality, the LG Wash Tower is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Gintex EP20313 portable washer-dryer combo, priced at $181.99. This versatile and powerful machine offers a 20-pound combined capacity, 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, making it perfect for larger households or frequent laundry needs. The semi-automatic design includes separate timers for washing and spinning, allowing you to customize each cycle for optimal results. The Gintex stands out with its superb spin dryer, which removes up to 97% of water, reducing drying time significantly. Its energy-efficient motor provides impressive cleaning power while operating quietly. Designed for convenience, this unit is compact and includes handles for easy portability, making it ideal for apartments or RVs. The durable ABS and polypropylene construction ensure long-term reliability. While the higher price point might deter budget-conscious buyers, the Gintex EP20313 delivers exceptional value for its capacity, performance, and ease of use. If you're looking for the best portable washer-dryer combo that balances power, portability, and functionality, this is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.